The next step after getting your good domain names and selling them is trying to sell them for more money. If you can put the websites up, instead of just selling a domain name, sell a domain name with a ready-made website or blog or business, so that whoever is buying it from you has, they can start it on day one.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
And you can either learn how to do WordPress yourself and just put together a few nice themes on WordPress, and it should be, once you get up and running, it should be only a couple of hours of extra work per website. But you can also outsource this for no more than $50 or $100. Freelancers online will put together for you a very nice WordPress website. You can definitely get it for like under $100 on Upwork. And also I want to show you Fiverr if you're not familiar with those sites. Most people online who are doing business are totally familiar with these sites, but just in case you're not familiar, in both of these sites, especially Upwork, the environment is so competitive for these freelancers that the price has gone really down. And they will definitely, if you put an order out, if you put a job request out, people will bid on it, and you can get somebody who's good to put together an entire site for you for $100, and then you can turn around and sell that site for that nice domain with a site now that looks beautiful. You can sell that for much more on sites where you would sell it, and that way you can have your business would be more robust. The domain selling business would be more robust because you wouldn't be just selling domains, you would also be selling full ready-made, ready-to-go businesses.